So over here you can see this is a program that I have written. You can see. So this is how it fetches the result, like -1 and -1 are the roots of the given equation. So over here set console title and Windows.H are used to write the title of the console. System color and settings library are used for changing the background. Float is used to store the value, and of course it's included in stdio.h, and even the printer scanner statements are in stdio.h. So you can see I created a float because of instead of int because of this many numbers. Printf scanner, and like this is the square root, and for square root I have used maths.h. So this is how the whole program works. So it's quite simple. So you can try making your own maths program like this.